Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you how to make money in your spare time. So if you got a computer, you have a phone, this is the video that you need to watch, because if you got a PayPal account, you can also cash out with this as well. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because I have some really cool things to share with you at the end of the video. All right, so make sure you watch it all the way to the end. So if you're brand new, welcome to the channel. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. I'm always grateful for you to keep watching my videos over and over again. So thank you for coming back, and let's just dive into the video. So I come up with a brand new video every day or every other day just to remain consistent and give you nothing but pure value and things that will help you. So most of the things that I share with you are right here on this channel. So feel free to come on here and you can just see all the different quality videos that I produce for each and every one of you, so that way you can find something. I talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and just different ways, hacks, tricks, and a lot of ways that can make you some money. So the website that I'm going to be talking about is a website that is called Spare 5. So earn money in your spare time, just as I mentioned, with your free web or your mobile app. So here's the thing. This app will pay you to do small tasks here and there, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So if you got a smartphone or you got a computer, as I mentioned earlier, you can use, let's say, a couple hours or an hour per day on this, and you can make some money. So you give it a try, you get started doing small tasks, as I said before, in your free time. So if you got a Mac or you got a PC, with web tasks, you could sign up and it's absolutely free. So how does it work? Pretty simple. You sign up, get the task done, and you can do some of the tasks and you get paid via PayPal. So right now, for anyone that have the mobile device, they only have it on the iOS right now, but you could sign up. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you could sign up and get notified. So they will notify you once they have the Android set up and ready to go. So I'm going to share with you exactly what you're going to do. So small tasks, very simple, very easy, and you can make money doing this. So if you come on here and you can look, you can assess language, you can annotate images. So you know how sometimes there are pictures with some little blurs and you put boxes and all. Like, I don't want to say, well, there is boxes, there is squares, but they're giving you a real task for you to start doing. So they're looking for a human insight, of course, and they do it through audio, through video, through images. So with the images, they want you to start to draw bonding boxes around various elements and images to describe what's in the photo. So they're going to send you photos, or they're going to put it on your app or on your computer, and they will tell you exactly what to look for, and you have to find it. So assess language. So you tell us about the tone, meaning, contents, and the conversation. So if you listen to an audio file, they just want you to, see how the people are reacting, probably have to take some notes and give some specific meaning of what the conversation is. So isolate elements. Let me pull it back up. Isolate elements, elements. And you could just do it exactly as a cute little boy right here. And you provide keywords, help companies develop algorithm to learn what the photo is all about. So you look at the photo and you start to do like hashtags, just like how you post a picture on Instagram. It's the same thing that you're doing. You write hashtags. So watch, husky, there's mountain, there's hoodie, there's dog, there's clouds, there's woman. You can hashtag black and white. You can hashtag like clouds. Well, yeah, there's clouds there already. But what are people saying about Spare 5? There's a nice little video down here that you could click and you could play. And it's just a quick little video that you can watch and see people are actually making money doing these extra and small tasks. So this is not going to get you, of course, super rich, but these are some of the companies that they work with. Expedia, great travel company. Microsoft, Getty Image, IBM, GoPro, TomTom, Gum Gum. So Pinterest. So these are some of the top companies. And how do they use these company? I mean, how do they use these companies to use data? So Spirify work with great companies to apply your insights in areas like computer vision, language, natural language. And if you're ready to get started, you can get started right away. So they have it ready available in over 100 countries, which is a good thing. So you could try it out, test it out. And if you got an iPhone, you're ready to go. This right here, they have a 4.8 out of 5. So there's people talking good things and bad things as normal about the app. But 4.8 out of 5 is good. That's why it's called Spirify. So it is absolutely free. You can sign up, and they're looking for people that is willing to put a little bit of effort. So if you want to be notified and you want to be the first one to know when it arrives on the Android device, just click down here, put your email address, and they will send it to you. It shouldn't be long from now, because this right here is a great app that just started, and there's people already making money from it. And if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the first link in the description, and I will send it directly in your email where you can get started right away. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre. I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, share this with anybody out there that are looking for a way how to earn some spare cash in their spare time via PayPal. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.